you guys are having a great day. I'm going to be talking about the Power Lead System Compensation Plan. I'm going to try and draw this out for you. Now, if you don't know what Power Lead System is, you haven't heard of it yet, you're going to be hearing of it very soon because this thing's about to go viral. I don't know when you're going to see this video. It's a lead capture system / follow-up system. I don't want to get into all the components, how it works. It's state-of-the-art. You can actually get this system for free for 7 days, test it out, and compare it against your current marketing system. This is a list building system. If you're not building a list on the internet, you're never going to make a dollar. I mean, that's just the bottom line. Everybody knows that. Now, if you are building a list, I suggest, or if you're an experienced marketer, I suggest you take a very serious look at this technology because this stuff is high end. It's not something just thrown together. It's something that's been around for many years. All right, let's get right into the compensation plan. And it took me about 2 hours of working on this board to figure out a way to explain this to people. And I think I figured out the best way to explain it. So let me try. If you get this, just pay very close attention to what I'm going to show you, all right? Shut off your cell phones, shut off all the distractions, and please just focus on this for the next few minutes. I want to show you something. Now, they have this compensation plan, and here's how it works. Okay, let's start off with my sponsor. Okay, I'm just going to put down MS, my sponsor. Okay, and then here's me. I signed up under my sponsor. Okay, now, the way this works is I go out and I can give away this system for free, so it's pretty simple to get people to sign up for this. And what I do is I sign up my first person to Power Lead System. I sign up my first person. Okay? I pass up every other person for my first 5 people. So my second person I give away, and this is not a bad thing giving away people here because you get a 50% match. I'll explain this in 1 second. Okay, I go out and I sign up my second person. Wait a minute. I'm sorry. I messed this up. I sign up my third person. Sorry about that. Getting ahead of myself. I give away my fourth person. Sign up my fifth person. Give away my sixth person. I sign up my seventh person. Give away my 8th person. I sign up my 9th person. Give away my 10th person. Okay, now I keep 11, 12, 13, 14. I'm going to give away my 15th person. Then I give away every 5th. So I'm going to give away my 20th. 25th, etc. Okay, you guys get that? Okay, so I would give away my 15th, I would keep my 16, I would keep my 17, I keep my 18, I keep my 19. Okay, now, I get $20 bills for every person that decides to use this system. Okay, it's $30 a month. If you want to be an affiliate, it's an extra $23.95. Okay, so these are $20 bills for everyone that upgrades. Okay, now this is my pay line. I'm going to draw a bracket here. It's very important. This is the very important part. You guys need to understand. And if I explain this right, you're going to get this. Okay. I get $20 bills from each one of these people that upgrade and decide to use the marketing system, Power Lead System. Okay, now I'm going to call this my pay line. I'm going to call this my pay line right here. Now, this first person that I sign up, okay, they're going to keep their first person. They're going to give me their second person. They're going to keep their third person. Give me their fourth. They're going to keep their 5th. Give me their 6th. They're going to keep their 7th. Give me their 8th. Keep their 9. Give me their 10th. Okay, now, every one of these is a $20 bill. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. These are free people. They're given to me. Okay? Now, these people that I gave away, these 50% matches, 50% match bonus means I get 50% of everything that person generates. If this person makes $1,000 a month, I make 500 bucks. If this person makes $1,000 a month, I get 500 bucks. If this person makes $1,000 a month, I get 500 bucks, etc., 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 etc. Okay? So giving people away is a good thing because you're getting a 50% match bonus. And my pay line, I'm going to call this my pay line, I'm getting $20 bills. I didn't sign up these people. These are people that are just given to me. They're passed up to me. These are the people that I've brought into the business. I get $20 bills here. So I got $20 bills going this way in my pay line, and I got $20 bills coming down from personal sponsors, okay? Now let's keep going. I want to show you what happens. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is the third person I signed up. They keep these people. They're giving me their 2, their 4th, their 6th, their 8th, their 10th person. Do you see these $20 bills adding up? Let's go down to this person. They're going to keep 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. They're going to give me 2, 4, 6, 8. Oops, sorry. 10. Okay, this person, they're going to keep 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. They're going to give me 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay. You guys get this part. You understand what's going on. You see how this can get crazy. I'm going to sign up 200 people into this thing called PLS. I'm going to personally sign up 200 people. Now, being conservative, I'm telling you I'm going to sign up 200 people. I'm being conservative. Okay, now, it's free. You're giving away a tool for free that they need anyway. It's free for 7 days. They can try it out. They're going to fall in love with the technology. They're not going to want to switch over from whatever it is that they're using right now. Now, this is important. This is the part that some of you might already get this, but watch very closely. Here's the kicker. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Keep, you pass up or give up, whatever you want to call it. Now, let's grab a different colored marker. I want to pick on somebody else here. Let's pick on this person right here. That person right there was given to me. They were given to me. I didn't get that person. They were given to me from where? This person right here gave me their second pass up. That was a free person. I didn't ask for this person. The person was given to me. Now, this person's in my pay line. They keep the first person. They keep the third person. They keep the 5th, the 7th, and the 9th. Where does 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 go? What do they do with that person? They give them to me. So this person right here is going to give me their 2nd, their 4th, their 6th, their 8th, and their 10th person. Okay, now let's pick on this person right here that I did not sign up, that I did not refer the Power Lead System. Let's pick on that person right there. They're going to give me their second, their fourth, their sixth, their eighth, their 10th person. So not only do I have people down here passing people up into here, the people that are being passed up into my pay bracket are now passing me people, are now passing their people to me into my pay bracket, and this is beginning to accelerate. Each one of these is a $20 bill per month. Let's pick on this person. That person right there, I don't know that person. That person got passed up to me. Okay? That person's going to give me their 2, their 4th, their 6th, their 8th, their 10th person. Let's go back. Let's pick on this person again. We haven't got to this person yet. This is growing down. This continues to grow down, and these people continue to pass up to me. So let's pick on this guy again. This guy's going to give me. He's going to keep his 1st, his 3rd, his 5th, his 7th, and his 9th. He's going to give me 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let's go back to this person. This person's going to give me their 2, their 4th, their 6th, their 8th, their 10th. This person's going to keep their 1st, their 3rd. You guys are getting this, right? Their 5th, their 7th, their 9th. They're going to give me their 2nd, their 4th, their 6th, their 8th, their 10th. This person right here is going to give me their 2nd, their 4th, their 6th, their 8th, and their 10th. Now, here's the kicker. Here's the kicker to this whole thing. Let's grab a different colored marker. I don't know what I got that works. Now, each one of these people in their pay line is going to give me, this person's going to give me their 2nd, their 4th, their 6th, their 8th, their 10th. This person's going to give me their 2nd, their 4th, their 6th, their 8th, their 10th. Let's randomly pick people. This person right here is going to give me their 2nd, their 4th, their 6th, their 8th, their 10th. Let's pick on this person. This person's going to give me their 2nd, their 4th, their 6th. Do you see where we're going with this? Do you see how this can get completely out of control? Listen to me. If you're not in Power Lead System, I want you to go right below this video. I want you to click on the link, and I want you to grab a spot right now. After you grab this spot, I want you to grab this video. You can use my video, okay? Take my video, put your link below my video, and blast this out to your people and show them what I just explained to you. Nobody knows about this yet. You get this going, you cannot stop this. I'm not going to make any income claims here, but I mean, realistically, let's be real conservative here. $10,000, $20,000, $50,000 a month is not even out of the question. Get in this thing now. God bless. Take care, everybody. Thank you.